Digital Attestations by Embassy of Oman, powered by VFS Global. Getting digital attestations by Oman Embassy and Foreign Ministry attestations is convenient and hassle-free. Start your journey at our website and create an account using your email ID. Select the respective country from the list to initiate digital attestation from Embassy of the Sultanate of Oman in your country. Upload the required documents and select the appropriate document category. Sign in by creating an account. Log in. Complete the online payment for government fees and service charges. Keep an eye on your registered email account for any communication from VFS Global on additional documents or further steps. Once attested, the document with the respective Oman Embassy stamps will reflect in your digital wallet linked to your email address. The next step requires your document to undergo further attestation by the Embassy of the Sultanate of Oman. Congratulations on completing your attestation from the Embassy of the Sultanate of Oman. Please proceed to the next step of attestation from the Foreign Ministry of Oman. Obtain it conveniently by selecting the eShare option from Digital Wallet. Select your document category and complete the online payment. After submitting your application digitally, visit any Oman Post Attestation Center across Oman with the physical document within 3 working days. Once attested, the documents with the Embassy's digital seal will appear in the same digital wallet, ready for download and use. Digital Attestations by Embassy of Oman, powered by VFS Global. Simple, safe, swift,